In this video, we're comparing two popular personal finance tools, Actual Budget and Firefly 3, both open source, both privacy focused, but built for different types of users. Let's start with Actual Budget. It's a clean and simple app that focuses on category-based budgeting. You enter your income, assign amounts to different categories, and track your spending manually. The interface is fast, local first, and doesn't require you to connect your bank, giving you full control over your data. Actual is lightweight and clean, great for simple budgeting, but it's still missing features like a mobile app and more advanced automation. Now, Firefly 3 is a more advanced financial manager. It supports multiple accounts, transfers, recurring transactions, detailed reporting, and even asset tracking. You can self-host it or use a cloud provider, and it offers more flexibility, including mobile apps and CSV bank imports. The learning curve is a bit steeper and setup takes more time, but it's packed with features. So which one's better for you? If you want a simple, focused budget tracker that runs locally, Actual Budget is a great fit. If you're managing more complex finances and want deeper insights, Firefly 3 might be the better choice. Both are great. It just depends on how much control and detail you need.